Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Michael here, and we've got something super exciting lined up for the next 6 days. We're hopping aboard the Disney Magic.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's our first time on the Disney Cruise Line, so for a cruise to some epic spots, including Disney's private island, Castaway Cay, and the brand new Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point. We're talking crystal clear waters, white sand beaches, and of course, all the fun aboard Disney Magic you can imagine. We'll be showing you everything from the ship's awesome amenities to the best activities on land.
But Mrs. Potts and I, we both love a love story.
Oh, I can see that.
What do you?
I enjoy love stories.
You enjoy love stories. Well, perhaps maybe we can share book recommendations.
That would be great.
I think that would be wonderful. Would we like to take a portrait together?
Yes, please.
So make sure to stick around because it's going to be an adventure and you won't want to miss. So let's go.
Disney Magic, please give a warm welcome aboard to Claire and Michael!
Hey, look what we found! All right. We finally got in the door smoothly this time. Normally
It's been a
don't.
while since we've done that.
All right.
Ooh.
What do we get?
We got our pre-ordered drinks.
Oh, nice.
Nice. I've heard great things about Disney beds and linen, so very excited. Let's see. Oh, that is pretty comfy. It's not very firm, so if you prefer a firm bed, it's not very firm, but I think that will do the trick. A lot of good storage here. We'll actually be here for 6 nights, which is our longest cruise so far. So we will be needing as much storage as we can get. So 2 drawers and then a set of shelves. And then we have a curtain separating the main bed from the couch, which, as I understand, pulls out into another bed. So you can close the curtains and have more of a private room if you have additional guests with you. And then we've got a TV, pretty standard for a cruise ship, and a really nice desk area. So this will be great to have access to. Again, a lot of storage and a cooler. Yep, looks like a cooler, no ice maker. And finally, we have the balcony. And we're currently in San Juan, so a little bit different of scenery than what we're used to. This is a nice sized balcony. Great place to enjoy your coffee or a cocktail in the evening. And like I said, the scenery in San Juan with the mountains in the background it's very impressive. So now that we're back in the room, just a couple more items to show you. We have a good amount of hanging storage, which is great, separated by sliding doors. We've got maybe 4 adult life vests and maybe a child's life vest, and I'm sure you can get that amended as you need to. Great hanging storage. One thing that I'm very excited about for Disney is there is self-serve laundry services. So if you need to wash clothes, you can do that on board. And then as well as they have irons and ironing boards available. So as we know, you can't normally bring a steamer or an iron on board. So having that available for guest use is very exciting. And the last exciting thing about this room is a little Disney treat for the bathrooms. So we've got a washroom with just a toilet and a sink, but you notice there's no shower in here. So we're going to go to the second, behind door number 2 is another sink and the shower. So that's great, especially when you're in close quarters, being able to keep your toothbrush separate from the toilet, and as well having multiple people sharing a room, having the toilet separate from the shower is just a really nice touch. So excited to experience that for the next few days.
First stop, we found out you could buy these bags and fill it up with some drinks.
So how does this work with the cooler?
Not a bad price, guys. Spent 146 bucks, but we got to pick basically from this group here, and then got one of these bags and it'll get delivered to our room. But basically what we got was two 12 packs. So we got a total of 24 different drinks here, and only spent $146. So not a drink package, but that will do. It's drizzling out here, and we noticed a rainbow. Look at that, it's cool. Cool. So
I don't know if I've seen a rainbow go all the way across like that.
yeah, check it out. That's pretty cool. There's like a little gap though. First time on the Disney.
Yeah.
We haven't even walked around really. We just went.
No. Well, we got on
From the
kind of
room.
late, and then the lunch was a 3-course sit-down meal, so
Yeah.
that took a while. Was very good. And then rooms are ready, and then we got a drink, so it's
Yeah.
just been kind of meandering around.
So now we started walking around, but now we have to go do a muster drill,
real
old school,
We haven't done that in over 4 years.
with the
Attention,
put on our
all
vest.
traffic controllers, evacuation
Oh,
teams, and
what is
assembly
that?
teams.
It sounds like
Probably
they're getting
muster.
ready.
Assembly stations
Yep.
See?
and
They're getting, we,
It's
need to get
crazy.
we need to get our life jacket.
Visitors
It's
and
been,
visitors who are
since
not
20
sailing
minutes.
with the Disney
2019
package
since we did
disembark
that?
at the
2020.
Deck 1 Gateway.
Dang.
January 2020.
Thank you.
That's nuts. We just had one of the guys take a picture with us.
Yeah, it was really
Well,
nice.
not with us. He took a picture of us.
And he did a
But-
good job.
Yeah, it was really nice. And he was wondering where I got my hat, because he's been trying to find one. But sadly, about a few years ago at Disney World. So I don't know if they sell them on this ship.
Thank
I guess
you.
we'll go find out later. But now we're gonna go back to the room, grab our vest, to go do the old school muster drill. Not complaining about this drill here.
Yeah. Sitting down, AC.
In the theater, the main theater. We were walking by some of the others lined up, shoulder
Tallest
to
in the
shoulder.
back, shortest in the front.
But yeah, the AC is nice. Oh, and correction, we didn't have to bring our life jacket, so
Yeah.
that's
I
nice.
thought I
too.
heard that on the announcement.
That's what I
guess
thought
I
I
misheard.
heard. I don't know,
Maybe they said you don't have to.
but this is nice. They better have a little boat for us if. I probably shouldn't say that. We're gonna be fine.
In the unlikely event of an emergency.
Yes. I know. This is cool.
It's a sailaway.
Okay, guys, so you know that I love Virgin Voyages, but this sailaway party on Disney is nuts. There's so many people here. It is so well attended. So actually, pretty good time. So I definitely would recommend coming out to the sailaway party if you ever cruise Disney. Well, according to the air tag, my clothes were, my bag was still on the island. So we'll see.
This is a fish extender.
Huh?
Fish extender.
Oh, interesting. Not ours.
People put gifts in your fish extender. We did not sign up for that. It's very.
A thing?
Look at this.
We do have our bags.
All of our bags.
Are you sure it's all of them? Oh, yes. All of them. Yes.
I was worried. Michael's air tag showed it was like across the bay. We were like, and then we started moving.
Not very reliable air tag. Oh, well. Yes. Ooh, perfect timing. Made it back to the room, and look at this view. Nice view of the port. Fort. Nice view of the fort.
Yeah. Incredible.
Look at those waves crashing up against the side there.
Yeah, I'm pretty nervous. I think it's gonna be a rocky night.
Claire had to do a quick change, but we have our magnet now. Finally got our luggage, and
We are cruising.
there it is. There's our magnet. Very plain compared to everybody else's.
Yeah, they take the magnet game seriously around here.
Yeah. But my goodness, we haven't even gone that far, and it's moving.
Yeah, it's
Little
way,
rocky. The adult area after hours. Or is it the adult area all the time?
Yeah, all the time.
All the time? Huh.
All the time. I
All
think.
the time.
I mean, you know as well as I do, but I think so.
I don't know much. It's very confusing. Man, first time on Disney cruise, it's been tough trying to figure out where to go. But just walk around, get lost, and oh my gosh, Claire's like distracted by the waves
The
now.
waves are crazy. You probably can't see them, but the waves are crazy. I mean, we've been on at least 10 cruises together. This is probably the rockiest we've seen.
Yeah, it's
And we're going through a hurricane when we get to the Gulf.
right away too. It's like freaking rocky. I found no gills. Had to go around the corner. Check this out. It's like an Irish pub. Ooh, man, you feel that? It's crazy. Got a group over here in the back.
A few moments later.
Yay, we made it to the shops finally. Actually, it looks like, I was gonna say it actually looks like a Disney store, but it is a Disney store.
Yeah, it does feel like we're in.
At Disney World.
Yeah, like at Disney, for the big store in Disney Springs or something.
Yeah. Okay, these shirts are actually pretty nice. My happy place, I'd rather be cruising. So, actually really cool shirts. And they're, how much? 30 bucks each. Not bad. All right, so here's the little ships that I normally collect. So this will be cool to get. $60 for this thing. This store across from where we just at is called Whitecaps, and they have, it's like more adult type stuff, where the other side was looked like to appeared to be more kids' clothes. But this store looks expensive.
Well, it is Disney.
Yes, we found the Christmas ornaments, and look, they have the little ships here like we buy for Royal, and it's hard to get, but you know, we're in November, so it's easy for us to find them right now. So decided we're gonna go ahead and get them because what'd you find?
It's a salt and pepper shaker.
Okay, that's pretty cool. That is nice. But yeah, we're gonna get these little ornaments because they're hard to find, and getting in the cruise, better get them now.
We have a special mini Christmas tree. It's like this big to put our travel ornaments in.
Yeah, this is what we've been looking for, and it looks like they only have 2 of them. So I don't know. For here, we could basically use it at the at our door, and I guess when we get drinks and shop. But I don't know. Still looks a little expensive for what they are, but pretty useful. Yay! Our drinks got delivered. Check it out. Got like a 12-pack of Modelo. There's our little bag that we got. So, I assume the drinks are in there. Look at that. It's a cool bag that we can take home, and then also take on the, what do we call it, little excursion that we're doing. See, there's the other mixed drinks or mixed cans of stuff.
Yeah, I got, they had the mango, black cherry, and watermelon White Claws. So I got an assortment of those, as well as the strawberry guava Topo Chico seltzer. That one's pretty good.
Okay.
So we're set up.
Yes. And here's our little towel animal.
He's cute. With chocolate, goodnight chocolates.
What is it?
Maybe a frog with his tongue out.
The chocolate's supposed to be at the tongue?
I think so.
All right. That's cool. I like how Disney uses like 2 different towels. Give it some different color.
This was on the bed.
Oh, that's what that
It
was?
was on the, it was draped over the bed.
Okay. Okay.
Well, that's our first day aboard a Disney Cruise Line, Disney Magic. And I keep looking at the TV because it's showing the position of the different Disney cruise line ships. So it's showing the Fantasy is going towards Florida. It showed the Wish is in Australia. So it's kind of cool.
That's
you can
neat.
see where the other
Yeah.
ships are located across the world. Today we had lunch at Rapunzel's and then dinner at Lumiere's.
Luminaires.
Rapunzel's was fairly American.
I don't remember what I had, honestly.
I know you had the Caesar salad for
Oh, that's right. The
your
chicken.
main.
Yeah.
You had the empanada for
Appetizer. Yep.
And then the cookies and cream.
Cheesecake.
Yep.
Okay.
And then I did a salad. I had the beef sirloin, which I have had on many cruise ships. And I feel like one that Disney served today was a more premium offering than what I've had on Carnival or Royal Caribbean. And then I also was able to have like a chocolate Bombay, which was very good.
I mean, overall, mine was okay. Empanada was kind of cold. And then the chicken Caesar salad was good. It was really creamy. So that one was fine. Cheesecake was okay. In my opinion, cookies and cream cheesecake, something like that. I think that's what it was called. So overall, I guess for me at lunch, was just okay.
And then for dinner, we both had the duck confit for our appetizer, which we kind of joked it looks like chicken of the sea. And
Star-kissed?
it kind of tasted like it, and not in a bad way because I really like tuna.
Yeah.
But it just kind of had an essence of, maybe it's just because of the way it looked. And then we both had the roasted, or we both got salads.
Oh, yeah. 2 different types
Yes,
of salads.
I really enjoyed mine. Michael did not enjoy his.
I did not at all. It was probably more or less the dressing that was on there. I think it was an olive-based dressing that I don't really like olives, so my opinion of the salad is probably a little skewed because I'm not a fan of olives, and it was not good.
And they both had the roasted duck, which I enjoyed.
The duck was good. And then the mashed potatoes were kind of a surprise.
Yeah. We were both tasting them like, there was a very particular flavor that we knew we had had it before, but we couldn't put our finger on what it was. And I knew it wasn't like a seasoning. It wasn't like a thyme or a sage.
Yeah.
And Michael finally said carrots, and it tasted like caramelized carrots.
Yeah. Overall, I thought it blended really well.
Yeah,
The
it was
carrots
good.
and the mashed potatoes.
I recommend that meal. And then you...
The apple caramel tart or something like that with vanilla bean ice cream.
And then I had, of course, the creme brulee, which we both got our Royal Caribbean favorite. So
Yeah, it is true. Thought the tart was okay. The ice cream was good, but very caramelly, which I do like. But overall, it was fine.
And the flavor of the creme brulee was very good, but the shell didn't give you like that satisfying crack. So kind of if you tapped the side of your spoon on it, it just kind of went straight through. It wasn't like a crumble. Overall, interested to see what the rest of the cruise offers for food. Tomorrow we are eating at Animator's Palette, I believe it's what it's called. So excited to experience that. And I think we're just going to figure out breakfast and lunch as the time comes.
Yeah, we need to do more exploring of the ship because we really haven't explored the ship much at all, which we like to do on Embarkation Day, but we kind of went straight to the bar.
We got on board late, and then
Later than normal.
everything just kind of got delayed. So
yeah,
more to come.
All right.